Hello and welcome back to the tutorial part 3. Sorry I went like the part 2 because my space is good. Anyways, so that's how we do it. So then I sent if you people didn't watch the part 2 one, I sent it on I put it on in my card. So then as I was saying, like now you know everything kinda, like you know everything. So then I'm going to show you now, what do you say, like what kind of things we need. This is like the continuation part. Okay, so let me just open camera, come. Okay, yeah, this is my camera. Okay, if your charge gets over, you will need a power bank. As you can see, my charge is almost over. So then the second thing is you will need headphones. And next, sorry about that, next you will need one second, I have to get the things. So then next you will need a mouse. Then you will need an iTex. All my wires. You will need an iTex. You will not necessarily, but I use this. Yes. Then you will need all the chargers of your cameras. You will then need a computer. Then you will need a tab, which I am holding, so I can't show you my tab. That's all you need. So then part 4 is a special edition. Make sure to check that out. I put in the cards in the description. I know what you're saying, that it's supposed to get over now, but part 4 is a special edition. So I'll catch you on that one.